is Paige. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm a singer-dancer currently working on a luxury cruise ship, the Regent Seven Seas Mariner, and I am near the end of our Grand Voyage circling all of South America. So if you haven't already seen my first 2 episodes of this journey, you can go click on those in the description below. And in this video, we are going to explore Brazil, and I'm so excited. And after we are done circling South America, we are doing the world cruise. So we are hitting all the continents, going to French Polynesia, Australia, a bunch of stops in Asia, India, Africa. It's gonna be incredible. So make sure that you subscribe and stick around for all of those videos because there's a lot of them coming up. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I'm happy you're here and I hope you enjoy. Let's see Brazil. Where are we today? Janeiro, you're so happy. Porto Belo is a resort town in the southern state of Brazil. Tourists and locals come here to relax from the hustle and bustle of the city life. Get it, girl. This town is full of luxurious beaches and villas located right on the Atlantic Ocean. We had the most relaxing day exploring the town and laying on the beach that was right next to the tender drop-off. It's too slow. I'm always like having a so slow-mo.
You're back.
Nailed it.
You gotta send this.
Getting ready for Christmas. At the beach in Brazil, and then I come back on board and then I'm a singer again. So here's my, oh, you can show you from the back. Here's my dress. And I sang If I Loved You and Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend for a top tier event, which is where the guests who have sailed for like 7,000 nights or something insane like that, we celebrate them and we give them a little show. So right now my friend Steven is singing, and then I have another singing set to run to in the observation lounge. And then I think I'm done for the day. Ilha Grande is an island off the coast of Rio de Janeiro state in Brazil. It's become a very popular tourist destination due to its tropical beaches and rugged landscape. Kai!
What's up?
I found you!
Yes, you did. Guy, Kai.
Yeah. Wow, this place is so cool. Oh, there's our ship in the background. Wow. Look who made it to Brazil.
Finally.
And the cruise ship.
First time off.
Yay! We're back traveling. Very exciting. And now we're just gonna explore this beautiful island and take lots of cool pics and vids. Yep. What's that?
See you later.
See you later. In 2019, Ilha Grande was inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Ciao! And this was one of my favorite ports that we visited in Brazil. This is exactly what I needed after all of those city ports and shopping. Like, I just need to roam around this island. Oh my god, like it's just so cool. Oh. So Andrea and I have wandered down the beach and there's this little nature walk. It's about 8 minutes to a natural pool. So we're gonna see what it looks like. But I just love nature. This is so nice. It still supplies water to the village. Wow. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy the sun came out. Yay! Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. That's so good. Oh my gosh. This beautiful place. Cheers, guys. Not yet. Cheers. I can't even set this down because it's going to spill on one side.
Oh, Big Daddy, can you bring me some more of these capellinis?
Wow, what an amazing day off the ship. I'm back now because crew all aboard was 5. So now for the rest of the night, I am off, but I am helping the social hostess host the solo travelers dinner. So I'm gonna get ready for that in about an hour. And then yeah, that's all I have for the night. Me and the dance captain, we have another reblock to do, so we'll be busy doing that because we have another show tomorrow. Yeah, all the stress of ship life and putting up a Christmas show and all these things just like disappear from your brain when you're out in port, and especially this one with all the nature, and the weather was just perfect. The air was just so fresh. Oh, I feel renewed. Yeah, so anyways, I'll catch you up with where we are in Brazil tomorrow. Shamar, where are we today?
I can't say Buzio.
Buzio, Brazil.
It's beautiful.
Ah.
Buzio is beautiful.
Si tú lo sientes también, entonces quiero saber por qué desde que te vi yo vivo diferente.
Feliz Natal.
No me importa a mí lo que dice
The final of the World Cup is playing right now, so everything is like super busy and crazy. It's really cool. Okay, we found a really cute place to eat lunch, and they're playing the football game everywhere. Yeah. What is this? Authentic, what is it? Middle Eastern food. It has really good reviews. It's gonna be delicious. And we don't have much time because we have to go rehearse in like an hour, but we thought we would try. And it's always worth it to get off. Oh, he's so happy. Oh my god. Well, and then the man in front of him. It's like, oh, he's so stressed and happy. Oh my god. Oh. So we made it to the ship for our rehearsal, and then we quickly got back on a tender and came back to the port. And what happens next, I think, is the coolest thing that we experienced in Brazil.
Oh. Yeah, penalties.
Oh, snap.
gente está vendo. O que a gente está vendo é a expressão que está onde disse esta torcida e a situação do país. O time jogou como se tivesse.
So we're back on the ship now. That was so cool to be in South America when Argentina won the World Cup. The energy was just so awesome, and seeing all the locals gathering and cheering the teams on. And then when they won, the little town just like exploded, and it was so cool. And now we have to get ready because tonight we have our farewell show and our show Blazing Boots. Tomorrow we are in Rio, so I'm super excited for that. And I will catch you later. Where are we going today? Christ Redeemer in Brazil! It's raining. That's what it's supposed to look like today, but we'll see. Whoa. Hey friends, nice meeting you here. We just took a 20-minute cable car ride up the mountain. Now I think there's like 220 steps up to the Christ Redeemer. So far we are in the cloud. It's right there. On my camera you can see better. Wow.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
You like it, Cam? We've made it!
We're in the middle of like
A cloud.
a cloud.
A little cloud.
Yay, Brazil!
But sometimes the wind makes the cloud move.
It does.
Not now.
It might come back. We'll be back. It might come back.
We'll be back.
We'll be back.
You a little bit. No, it's going away.
Come on, win.
Come on, wind, blow it away. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, there it is.
Hello, Rio.
Wow.
Right, ready. 1, 2, 3, 4 more. One more. 1, 2, 3. All right, good. That's what we should see.
Hey friends, where are we going?
To Kai's 21st birthday back. Well, but he's turning 21 in
I'm nervy.
7 hours.
I'm camera shy.
7 hours.
Is it 7?
Oh
No,
my
5
god.
hours.
5 hours. Sorry.
Well, we're going to this little area called Lapa.
Lapa. We're gonna go get some good food and drinks.
Yeah.
Woo woo!
Bye ship, see you later. I think we found a place to have a drink. Eso! Eso! Back to the ship for a birthday surprise. Somebody's birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kai. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Yay! Look at that birthday boy.
Yeah, right under the.
I love you guys.
Oh, almost.
5, 6, 7, 8. Hup, 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 hup. Nera, nera.
Hey guys!
What's up? What's up?
Kai and I are in Salvador, Brazil. It's Christmas and it's pouring rain today, but we're still gonna make the most of this day. And we're gonna find a coffee shop. Yeah. Salvador is a city in the northeast region of Brazil, and it is recognized throughout the country and internationally for its food, music, and architecture. The city is divided into 2 levels, an upper town and a lower town. We first explored the lower town on the way to a coffee shop. I got a tea instead, because I didn't have any plant-based milk here, but it's a cute little shop, and my friends came and met me too.
Wow, this is good.
Okay, so we paid about 30 cents American to come up this elevator to see this really cool view. From 1549 to 1763, Salvador experienced the blending of European, African, and Amerindian cultures. The upper town holds the historic center of Salvador, which is famous for its colonial architecture and historic monuments that are dating back to the 17th century. It was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985 and holds one of the biggest carnivals in the world. But unfortunately, it is also known for being one of the most dangerous cities in Brazil. Okay, so I was a little bit scary because they only took local money, and on the way up we had, and on the way down we didn't realize we had to pay again. So we found a random guy who was working at a coffee shop, and he agreed to change with my American dollars to some money from him. So thank God for that, because crew all aboard is soon. And now we are going back to the ship. It's a very quick day in Salvador, Brazil. It was a little bit sketchy. I didn't not feel super safe all the time, but during certain areas I was walking, there was definitely a lady that came up to me and very aggressively was signaling to hide my phone. So then that made me a little bit worried, and there was groups of men pointing, and it was just a little bit But I stuck with my friends and we went to a more populated area. It's just nice to get outside for your mental health, and now I'm heading back to my ship and I'm gonna try and get some pool grill. It closes soon, but I'm just gonna hopefully get some french fries and a little ice cream. I made it to pool grill and had a little snack. Now I'm enjoying the view of the city from the boat. Expecting that. I guess it's time for me to go back to my cabin. Hey guys, so today we're in MACEIO, Brazil. And it's a bit crazy because we got dropped off at this location, then Andrea left his backpack on the bus. So then Andrea were like, okay, we'll just wait here for the next buses to come and then we'll grab her backpack and then enjoy our day. We got lunch off for Christmas Eve, so we were really happy to be able to spend the day together. But then we ended up standing here for an hour and there wasn't any buses coming, and then my friends were saying that they got dropped off at this other location and it was just this big mess, so we're still standing here waiting for a shuttle bus because apparently we weren't really supposed to be dropped off here in the first place. So that's cool. We're currently still waiting. It's a beautiful day. It's Christmas Eve. Hopefully we can figure this out soon, but I'll keep you posted. So far, we're still here waiting. We found a shuttle bus to take us back to the ship, to then get another one to go to the place we're supposed to get dropped off. Amore, look! We got the backpack. Yay! Oh my god. Okay, are we getting on this bus to go back into town?
I don't know, wait.
Oh my like so confused.
Oh my god.
It's crazy that we got here and that same bus was right there. But now we have to wait 15 more minutes to go to the real center. We made it to the right pavilion. Finally. Wow. It's hot and it smells like pee.
And different place.
And there's this guy behind us, but he's like, cart keeps saying this thing. I don't know what it's saying, but it's really annoying.
Selling ice cream.
He's selling ice cream?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're trying to walk away from him and find a quieter spot on the beach. We found a beach! Found a market. I'm gonna do a little stock up of snacks in my cabin. But it's just so sad, there's so many amazing fruits and vegetables and I'm not allowed to bring any of it back on the ship. You gonna get something yummy? A little snack? It's Christmas! Wow, she looks so beautiful there. Got the wine glasses out. Merry Christmas! Little Christmas party. Merry Christmas! Gabby, happy Slaymas!
Happy Slaymas, everyone! Can't believe we've made it. Slaymas.
Everything's closed because it's Christmas Day, except for this beautiful iced coffee shop. Cute little street with a bunch of little food stands and shops. I think we're gonna check out this restaurant and get a little Christmas drink. So Christmas. Just my Christmas vlog. Hey guys, so Christmassy.
Bring it a little closer.
Merry Christmas. Favorite time of day. It's so cool to be off the ship this late and enjoy the sunshine and the fresh air. I found you, Andrea.
Buon Natale, buon Natale, buon
Buon
Natale.
Natale.
In Brasile.
Yay. I didn't know this, but it's our last day in Brazil. I think that my friends and I had a really, really great Christmas day because it can be hard to be away from home on Christmas, but when you have really good friends in the cast, it can be really awesome. And tonight we have our Christmas show, and then we're doing a little Secret Santa exchange, so that's really exciting. It's going to be really fun, but I think we're going to head back to the ship now. I wish we could watch the show tonight, but it starts at 8 and Kuala Board is 6. But things are getting much livelier around here.
Do you want it higher or lower?
Ready for the Christmas show.
1, 2, 3. Gorgeous.
Yay.
Cute. I always get so nervous with these. Right, done and dusted, go. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna go.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
So, yeah.
Merry Chrysler.
Santa Christmas party!
Guys, I hope you enjoy some celebrations. If you don't know what these are, they're really nice. Celebrations!
There's no bounties in this?
Yeah. Happy Christmas.
Catch my eye.